Good. Alright. Just relax. That's it. Now we're coming to 2 mini roundabouts, okay?
Yep.
There's the small mini roundabouts. At the second mini roundabout, we're going to turn right, please, yeah? So we're turning right. Now slow down. Check your mirror. Signal to your right now. There we are. Now look at this car pulling out as well, you see?
Yep.
So we're going to stop here, because there, yeah?
Yeah.
So look at these mini roundabouts that you can see over here. There we are. Now go forward a bit. Off the gas. Look at that middle bit. You can't see the roundabout very clearly painted, but you got to go forward. Come on. That's it. And look right. Turn now. Just turn and relax. Go on, turn it more. That's it. That's enough. That's it. Easy and calm. Good. Steer more left now. A bit more. Well done. Brilliant. Alright, nicely done. There we are. Okay. So you got to go round it. It's a lifted roundabout.
Yeah.
So you got to go round the mini roundabout. But you look at the position. You got to keep it to the
left.
everywhere. Yeah, that's it. Well done. Good. Now we're shortly coming up to a mini roundabout. At the mini roundabout, turn left, please. First exit. Okay.
Clear.
Slow down a bit. Check. Mirror 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now brake more. Slow down. Don't give way to ahead and to the right. Now look right. See? That's it. Come down. Come. Now we were just down this road earlier on. So we're off now. Okay. Now going down here, like I said to you, look at the signs.
Yeah.
See,
one way.
Look at that.
3 of them.
And that's what I mean. So you know you've got to see. Another road here on the road mark is not very clear, but it's there.
Yeah.
But just a little bit more slower, please. Thank you. That's it. There we are. So we're coming to the end of the road, please. And at the end of the road, turn right, please. There we go. There. So, don't need that. And just there to look right, clear, look left. That's enough. There we go. Well done. And then sit nice. The back. Just one hand movement. See, that's beautiful. And there we are. Beautiful. It was beautiful, young man. And there we are. Done. To the end of the road. At the end of the road, turn left, please. Good. Oh no. So there we go. You still can't see what's coming there. Look at the road carefully again, please. The road is going round to the left. Another road markers are very, but you have to plan that and judge that's correct for yourself. That's it. Awareness. Now before you go to the bend, with 2 mirror checks, right on top of the wheel, turn now. Go on. Okay, there we are, Cass. There we are. That's it. The same hand will bring it back slowly, but that's it. It's there. You've got to get that steering under control. There we are. Good. Now we're coming up to shortly a Y junction. Right. So we're going to be turning just before the end of the road. We're going to take the next road on the right and then turn right again. Because if you're turning left, you go all the way to the end. But if you're turning right, you're going to turn right into that after the taxi on the right there. So this is known as a Y junction, yeah?
Okay.
It's here. Here you are. So if you're going left, you got to go there, but to turn right, so turn right, please. Good. That's it. That's your position. And turn in now. Keep on your own side, off the gas. That's it. And straighten your wheel up now. Come on. And then signal to your right again. Okay, signal, now look left, is it clear? Yeah, turn now. Nice and easy, there we are, that's enough, good. And there you have it. Happy days.
Got ya.
Yeah? Okay. Now, that's a Y junction. What you come up to now is this normal T junction.
Yeah.
At the end of the road, I'd like you to turn right, please, where the road ends. Nice one, Cole. Good. Good. Brake more. A bit more forward, please. Always looking right. Go a bit more forward. Yeah, let's stop. Good. Go. Go. Turn. That's enough.
It's my turn.
Gas roll. Take the next road on the left here, please. Turn left. Thank you. Good. Brake more. Good. That's it. And then start turning in left one. That's it. Well done. Turn it more. drive on. Yeah, that's it. Well done. Good. Now, brake. You see that? There we are. That's fine. A bit more forward. Just let it roll. No gas. No gas. No
Just let it roll.
gas. Just let it roll like that. That's it. Because we're quite far away, aren't we? See? There you go. There we are. That's it. Good. Well done. Don't see that every day.
Yeah, I know.
There we go. There we go. Good.
No, I'm living in a nice place now.
We're here. Yeah, big forest, of course, it's nice. It's beautiful.
For sure.
Yeah. So, we're coming to the end of the road. We're going to turn right, please. At the end of the road, turn right.
Yep. 1, 2.
Yeah. Coming up to the Epping New Road, yeah? Good. Nice position. Where do you look approaching the junction?
You look right first.
Always look right, bro. That's it. So look right, keep looking down. That's it. Keep rolling. Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. Stop. Now look left and go. That's it. Go. That's enough turn. And there's
Too
a bit
much
at
turn.
the end there. That's it. Go on. Don't steer much. Turn
Yeah.
right. That's the thing, you see.
Got enough space
Yeah.
on the road.
Take the next road on the left into Rangers Road, please. Correct. Good. Good, yeah. There you go, Cole. Nice one. All right, mate. Good. Speed limit, signs there. That's right. Uneven road, yeah. Keep going. There we go. Well done. See the cruise control. Hey. Fantastic. I think it's so cold today. It's hard. Nobody even parking here. Nobody's place is packed out.
Yeah. I'm just staying in. I was almost going to turn the heating on.
I did have it on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's cold, man. It's only the temperature saying what 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very cold, man.
Comparison to last week.
Yeah, of course. So if you like my videos, please like and share them. Yeah,
I'll
put
start
them out there, helping other people, making it a little bit easier to understand how to deal with them junctions, mini roundabouts.
I was literally watching Show Me Tell Me last night in bed.
Oh, good.
It sounded weird, but yeah.
So, while driving, I'd like you to use your horn, please. Good. Your front wash wipers. Good, that's it. Your front demister, please. Your front demister. That's it. Well done. Good. And your rear demister. There you go. Well done. That's it. Good. There you go. I'd like you to open your driver window, please. There you are. Try again, please. Good. It's very windy outside, isn't it? Yeah. Top of the wheel. Just a little turn. Go on. Yeah, it's done. Well done. That's it. Off the brake. Yeah, okay, that's it. Then same horses and people. So there's something going on here today. That's what they're standing here for, you know? It's like
Police.
It's not police. Polite. It says polite, but you know, it's people.
Maybe it's like a little circus or something.
Nothing to do with that. The horse that you saw earlier on. So there's
Yeah.
something, you know, like they're out today. So it must be that time they were just horse riding practice. Here we are. Come back to Chingford Test Centre. As well. The Chingford Test Centre car parks on your left here. They only make you do reverse bay parking into, not front bay parking, you know,
Yeah.
for it as a manoeuvre. But if they bring you back at the end, then they just make you just park straight into there. And take the next road on the right, please. Turn right. Good. Great. You can see the test centre on the right. Chingford. Good. We're not in a hurry because see, look,
Ladies
hands
crossing.
perception, look at that lady crossing as well. Oh, well done. There, come on, turn off one. Good. And I said a big thank you, yeah?
Yeah.
And there we are, mate. And there we are. Brilliant.
That's a big thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Just pull up anyway.